Hello friends, today we are going to learn an important topic called as antigen. What are we going to learn under this topic? The concept about antigen, the factors affecting antigenicity and immunogenicity, various properties and types of antigen. So let's begin with the topic. What is antigen? Antigen is any substance that can be recognized by final products of immune response. Let me repeat again. It is any substance. I am not even saying that it should be foreign or non-self. It is any substance that can be recognized by the immune components, final products of immune response. To understand the concept of antigen, we need one more concept, and that is immunogen. What do you mean by immunogen? Immunogen is a substance which evokes specific response against it. To understand, let's elaborate. You know our immune cells, B cells or T cells. When B cell comes across any substance, and if that substance activates its effector response, the B cell turns into antibody producing cell, and the final product of the response is antibodies. If T cell comes across such substance, if it turns into the effector T cells, and the final products are going to be more T cell receptors and cytokines, then that's the final immune response against that substance. So if any substance which induces B cell response or T cell response, that substance has an ability of inducing immune response. So that substance is immunogen. A substance which can evoke the immune response is called as immunogen, while a substance which can bind to the final products of immune response, which can recognize the final product of immune response, that is antigen. Antigens have an ability to bind or combine with the final products of immune response, like antibodies. We can make a statement with this that all the antigens cannot be immunogens. Antigens can bind to the products of immune response, but they cannot evoke the immune response. Immunogens can evoke the immune response as well as bind to the final products of immune response. So all the immunogens are antigens, but all the antigens are not immunogens. We can understand the concept by learning about very small molecule that called as hapten. Hapten is antigenic. When I say hapten is an antigenic molecule, means what? It can bind to the antibody, but it cannot induce the antibody production. Hapten is a small molecule which is antigenic but not capable of inducing a specific immune response because it lacks the property of immunogenicity. Haptens can turn into immunogens if we increase the size of the molecule, and then it will be capable of inducing immune response as well as will be capable of binding to the final product of immune response. I hope you understood the concept about antigen and immunogen.